everyone, and welcome back to Liz Sews and my August sewing plans. So I had a couple of projects in August that I really wanted to make, and lately I've been really enjoying sewing within a theme, whether that's like a color for the month, or last month I just did projects that were inspired by other makers. So I think that I really like finding a theme for my projects. It really helps me get excited about things. So when I was looking at the handful of projects that I knew I wanted to make, the theme that I came up with for this month was just sewing the rainbow. So I have projects that run the gamut of colors from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, probably not indigo, but purple. So first off, let's start with red. Now, red is a color that I don't wear super frequently, so I didn't have a lot of things in my stash that like fit into red. So I have two different options, and you guys let me know which ones you're most excited for seeing. The first option is sewing up this sort of like light pink. It's called Cupcake, but this is like a ribbed swimwear fabric that I purchased from the TaylorMade shop. I was thinking about doing a Sophie Hines Axis tank in this. I think it would be a really nice layering piece, like something I could throw on under a button-up shirt and not have to wear a bra, but be really nice, easy breezy, comfortable. But I wasn't quite sure if this pink counted as red. So the other option that I have for red is this lace that I have from Emerald Erin Sews, which I purchased maybe like a year or two ago. So I've made a bra out of this already, and this is what I have left over. So I have a bunch of it left over, so I can make another bra. And I'm gonna make just a traditional like black beauty bra, and I have black findings to go with this. I went back and forth on whether it looked better with black or nude, and I think black is the way to go. So those are the two red projects. Let me know which ones you think is more interesting to see, this red lace bra or maybe a light pink sports bra. So after red, orange is the next one. And this is going to be the same fabric as that Cupcake pink fabric, but this is like a burnt orange color. Again, swimsuit fabric, and I purchased this from the TaylorMade shop. It's so nice. It's such a great feel. I made an olive swimsuit out of this a couple months ago that I absolutely love, and I kind of just want to make another one exactly the same. So this will be using the Bravo Swim number 1, I think it is. It's either number 1 or number 2. I'll pop up a picture of the pattern over here, and the U-back configuration. So this one has princess seams down the front, and then just like a mid-height U-back in the back. So it's a really nice, easy breezy, comfortable swimsuit. I love it. So I really wanted to make a burnt orange version of it as well. For yellow, I've been working on dyeing elastics recently, and I did shoot a video. It should be going up this month about how to dye elastics for bras. So be sure to subscribe if you're interested in seeing that. So I have this lace that I purchased from Beware, and it's this really lovely mustard colorway. I love this color of yellow. It's one of my favorite colors. So yellow and green are my favorite colors, and I really love these sort of like muted fall tone mustards and olives. So this lace I've been in love with for a while. I've seen it on her shop for a while, and I've always loved it, and I never purchased it because I was worried that I couldn't find any elastics to go with it. But Angelica had said that like they were running low on the stock, so I was like, okay, I just have to buy it now or else I'm gonna regret it. So I bought this, and then I worked on dyeing elastics to match. So what I've ended up with is this golden ochre colorway, and this is acid dye from Jacquard. And so here I have the power mesh and some sheer cup lining. And I think that it is a really good match for this lace. So I'm really excited how that turned out. And I've also dyed all of the accompanying elastics and hook and eyes and stuff like that. So I should have a really cohesive set done all in yellow, which I love. For green, I'm really excited because Minerva Crafts has finally started up again. So I haven't had a Minerva Crafts project in probably about probably 6 or 7 months. I think the last fabrics that I got, I had requested in 2019. So they had sort of shut down sending out fabrics to us makers during COVID, and they're finally starting to pick back up again. So what I have here is an olive color, it's twill. I can't remember the fiber content of this. It might be like a rayon cotton blend, or it might just be cotton, but it's a really nice sort of like heavy wearing olive twill fabric. And what I want to make with this is a Simplicity 9052, which is sort of like a unisex sort of anorak style jacket. I'm going to be making the shorter length, so the length that's on him. I just don't love that long length, but I'm excited. I think it should be really hard wearing, something that it's really casual and comfortable. And I obviously really love this sort of like olivey tone fabric, and the twill I think will make it a nice addition to my wardrobe. So this is an unlined jacket, so it's not going to be terribly warm. So not great for Colorado winters, but I think it should be nice in the fall time at least, or maybe early spring when you just want something over your arms but don't necessarily want a lot of insulation and coverage like that. So excited about trying this pattern out, which I've never done, with this lovely twill fabric. And again, this was given to me by Minerva Crafts in exchange for me making projects and sharing on a blog. So the next color up is blue. This is one where surprisingly, like if I look in my wardrobe, I have a lot of blue things that I've made, but when I looked at the things that I had in my stash to sew up, didn't have a lot of blue. So I have two different options. None of them are like exactly blue, but let me know which one you're most interested in. So the first one is sewing up this Summer Sunrise kit. Now I've sewn this up once before for bra builders and center the bra, so I still have leftovers for making a bra for myself. So this is, it's sort of like a cotton candy, sort of like unicorn lace. It's really, really pretty. It has like these soft blues and pinks and stuff like that, and as well as this like iridescent rose motif up at the top of the lace. And then it's paired with the sky blue findings, which is why I thought it worked with the blue theme. So this is bra option number 1. So the second option I have for blue is this blue lace that I got from the Tailor Made shop. Again, this is a non-stretch lace, and it has it's very similar, sort of these blue watery color hydrangeas on it with embroidered white flowers up at the top. So this one's really pretty. And again, I would pair this with the sky colorway from Bra Builders. I thought the sky color blue looked really good with this lace. So those are the two options. We have sort of like unicorn lace, or we have hydrangea lace. So let me know which blue option you would rather see. And then for the life of me, I cannot figure out the difference between indigo and violet. They both kind of just look purple to me. So I have one purple bra that I'm going to pick out. And again, these are materials that came to me from Bra Builders. I made a bra for her, Sue, sent it back to her, and I have some leftovers that I can make a bra for myself. So that's really pretty purple Regency lace. And then it comes with amethyst purple findings with it. So I have sheer cup lining, and I have power net. So I think that will be the perfect purple bra. It's another one where I've been wanting to make one for myself as soon as I made the other version. So this is the perfect opportunity to get out a purple bra. So those are all of the things that I am planning to sew in the month of August. I hope you guys are excited about my rainbow of sewing, and let me know which projects you are most excited about seeing. See you next time. Take care.